Large caps, certainly still fine. The S&P 500, absolutely fine. It's up, call it 12% year to date. In the face of higher rates, as you point out, we've got the Gen AI story, we've got NVIDIA, we've got all those things pushing large caps higher. Small caps, not so much, right? Russell's up, what, 2% year to date? It's telling a very different story. It's telling a rate sensitive story, as it always does. And so the rest of
Right.
the year feels very good for large caps and kind of not for small caps.
Nick, there's such a respect on the street for your research across assets. What is the character of this bull market?
The character of this bull market is very narrow, relatively speaking. Actually, we just did a piece for clients last night looking at the whole decade's return so far, all of the 2020s. Because let's face it, it should have been a really bad decade. It's turned out to be a pretty good decade, but it's narrow. So it's Lewis large caps, not small caps. It's Europe is doing okay, but emerging markets are not. For every India, you've got a China. So it's a very narrow rally, and obviously bonds have gotten destroyed for the last 4.5 years. Going forward, I think it'll still be narrow. It's going to be narrow till U.S. large caps, U.S. technology, and hopefully we get enough of a pullback in rates to get bonds to work.
In the equity markets, you talked about the breadth or the lack thereof breadth. I mean, I learned in business school, that's not a good thing. I mean, doesn't this market have to see a broadening out here, or we're set up for maybe a big fall somewhere along the line?
It's a great question, and you're right. I mean, the classic theory is, you want rallies to be broad-based. We just don't have a broad-based equity story right now. We have one thing. We have generative AI. We have one stock. We have NVIDIA. And so the philosophical or the fundamental leadership here is sound. It's a good idea. Gen AI is a powerful trend, but there's not a lot of ways to play it. So you have a very narrow set of leadership. It's basically, as we all know, 5 names. So I don't think it's necessarily unhealthy, but it does mean like small caps aren't a way to play Gen AI. There's very few Gen AI plays in small caps. You got to go large caps.